song with me, a little bit of it, I guess. We started it one day, and one verse into it, he went to go fix someone's car. So I finished it. My mother was the sound of thunder, lived for 27 years. She had lightning in her veins and prayers in her tears. And my father never forgave me for turning his heart to hate. He said the Lord never gives, He always takes away. And you can blame it all on me for tearing your heart in two. And you can blame it all on me. What the hell was I supposed to do? And you can blame it all on me. Ask the Lord to take me away, 'cause I was born in the rain. I came of age and I found a girl, and I took her by the hand. Well, love could calm my wild storm and make me a better man. But she was unfaithful, and a flood was on the rise. So I left her standing there when the waters got too high. And you can blame it all on me for tearing your heart in two. And you can blame it all on me. What the hell was I supposed to do? And you can blame it all on me. Ask the Lord to take me away, 'cause I was born in the rain. And I've been innocent as long as I've been alive. Well, I've cried on sunny days and seen skies coming down. So take me out in the rain, baby, that's where I've been. That's where I lost my mind, and that's where I'm gonna stay. My bones are getting weary, my heart is getting old, and something inside myself don't want to be here anymore. Try to forgive myself for the things I've never done, but no one believes you when you're not born in the sun. So you can blame it all on me for tearing your heart in two. And you can blame it all on me. What the hell was I supposed to do? You can blame it all on me. Ask the Lord to take me away, 'cause I was born